स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस YouTube चैनल में, जहां पे आज हम देखने वाले एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 11। तो इसका टास्क है हाउ टू चेक वेदर द गिवन नंबर इज फॉर लीप ईयर और नॉट। So there is an objective that we have to find or check whether the year is a leap year or not with the help of Python. Software is Visual Studio Code. For running this particular program, you have a basic understanding of Python operator and if else statement. So if you are not knowing basic knowledge of particular Python operator and if else statement, then my sincere request to all of you, kindly watch the Python Trivedi session from the playlist given. So first we try to understand how to check the leap year or not. So for that, leap years are years where an extra day is added to the end of the shortest month, February. This is so called intercalary day, February 29, and is commonly referred to as a leap day. Leap year has 366 days instead of usual 365 days and occur almost every 4 years. So now leap year rules. How to calculate whether it is a leap year or not? So in modern day Gregorian calendar, 3 criteria must be taken into account to identify leap years. The year must be evenly divided by 4. If the year can also be evenly divided by 100, it is not a leap year unless the year is also evenly divisible by 400, and then it is a leap year. So according to this rule, the years 2000 and 2400 are leap years, while 1800, 1900, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2500 are not leap years. So let's try to understand this finding the leap year with the help of Python program code. So this is Python program to check if year is a leap year or not. So let's try to give one here. Say here is a 2000. Then to first to get year, you can also give as an input like a integer input from the user. In this case, you may ask like this way: year, that is integer, then input and enter year. Enter here. Now we have to divide the particular number by 100. So first divided by century year, that is ending with 00. Now century year divided by 400, then it's leap year. And if not divided by 100 means not a century year. So at that time, year divided by 4 is a leap year. So let's try to give the conditions. So for first one, like if for century year, so if year modulo 400 and that is equal to 0, and okay, I have given a small because defining it as small here by 400 And second condition is here modulo 100 that is equal to 0. Then print the given year is a leap year. So here I use the format. So at the end I also given the condition format year. Okay, so that is the first one. Now if it is not divided by 100, that means it is not century year, then year divided by 4 is a leap year. So for this condition, and if year modulo 4 equal to 0 and year modulo 100 not equal to 0, then print is a leap year. Here I have used the format. So once again I give you the format bracket here. So now third one, if not divided by both 400 that is a century year and 4 not century year. In that condition, the given year is not leap year. So else print the given year is not a leap year. And finally I have used the format. So format year. Okay, hope you understand. First we find the year with the variable. If you can also give with the help of input. Then you find for a century year, then it is also divided by 400, that is a leap year. If it's not a century year, then divided by 4 is a leap year. And the third case, when not divided by 404, then that is not a leap year. So first we save this and finally run this program. So 2000 is a leap year. Okay, we can also change this year here like a 200, like 2022. Yes. Then Python NumPy. So 2022 is not a year. Okay, so that's why you can change the year and check whether the entered year is a leap year or not with the help of this Python program. So this is the particular code and conclusion. Hope you enjoyed this video. Request to kindly share with your friends. If you like this, then press the like button, then to comment. Thank you.